big magical round of applause. Alright dosto, make some noise and give a huge round of applause for our diamond sponsor Vishali Modi. Vishali is a Keller Williams Santa Clara Valley realtor. Vishali ji, stage पे आपका स्वागत है. Do we have Vishali ji in the house? Ranked in the top 1% nationwide by Real Trends, Vishali is recognized for her expertise as a first-time home buyer specialist, as well as her designation as a serial real estate specialist and an accredited buyer's representative. Educating clients so they can make informed decisions is her passion. Vishali regularly partners with industry experts to host community seminars on topics. Welcome Vishali ji. On topics that go beyond selling homes, including the 1031 exchanges, estate planning and home insurance. A dedicated community leader, she serves at multiple PTA roles, including being the president where she led impactful family programs and managed school budgets with care and commitment. With over 20 years of Bay Area experience, Vishali ji combines deep knowledge with a genuine heart, guiding individuals and families towards their dream homes with confidence and clarity. Let's give a warm round of applause for Vishali Modi. Vishali ji, we would like for you to speak a few words.
Thank you so much for such a warm welcome again. And Go Team India, today is the day we are celebrating victory. And it is such a joy meeting all of you again. It is such a joy meeting all of you again. Last year it was pleasure getting introduced to you. But again, I came back here because I love what you are doing for the community, staying together and growing together. And that is one of my passion, helping families not just build real estate or wealth, but also protecting what they do. So that's why I always partner with a lot of industry experts. 1031 Exchange, I will be organizing that seminar soon on 13th. So feel free to reach out to me to find details and estate planning, because protecting your legacy is equally important. But today it is all about Diwali celebration, and I have some special announcement just for Kutch Valley families. If you sign up for an initial consultation with me and if you are planning to buy, I will help cover your home warranty for the first year. I know it is important to be peaceful when you move into your house, so that's why this is a special offering from me. And before you get into the house, getting to know what you are signing up for, so home inspection is equally important. So your home inspection and first year home warranty will be all covered by me. So please sign up. I have shared QR code to sign up for consultation. Now if you are selling real estate, this is all about Sitaron Ki Diwali, and that's why you know how it is important to shine your home. So staging, pictures, videography is equally important to make your home shine. So if you are planning to sell, I will help you cover for staging 90 days and also pictures and videography. So that is a special gift from me to all Kutch Valley families. Do not miss to sign up. Just in case if you are not interested in buying, selling, or just want to know how is it going in market, because every season is a different market, get in touch with me. I will be happy to introduce you to current trends and also any vendors if you need. Again, thank you so much for making me part of the community. It is so fun to see youngsters all the way to seniors enjoying their life here. Thank you again. Feel free. I have my booth here. Do not miss to participate in raffle. There are some fun prizes. Okay. Thank you so so much. And thank you, Jayesh, for inviting me again here to be part of the community. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vaishali ji. I'm sure a lot of KV folks will come your way. Thank you. Big round of applause, guys, for Vaishali ji. Introducing our next act. What comes to mind when you see colors brighter than diyas, thumkas full of mastis, and expressions that steal your show? Yes, the one and only Mr. Govinda. Some call him Raja Babu, some call him Coolie #1. But to us, he's the man who proved dance is not about perfect steps, it's about perfect vibes. So get ready, because the stage is about to burst with energy, laughter, and some Govinda style nakras. Please welcome our Chote superstars, our very own Sitare #1. The sitaras of this act are Anaya Rabia, Anirudh Chheda, Armi Chheda, Amaira Chheda, Miran Pasad, Neha Rambia, Riya Dhotre, Rivansh Gala, Sveya Shah, and Zain Chheda. And the vibrant leads for this act are Dhara Nagara and Nidhi Shah. This performance is dedicated to our gold sponsor, Vaishali Modi ji. Please put your hands together for Sitare